In today's video, I'm going to teach you Windows Copilot new features. Microsoft Copilot in Windows has become much more useful, especially if you want faster help, better answers, and less time clicking through menus. One of the biggest improvements is smarter AI assistance. Copilot now gives more contextual and accurate responses, which means it can better understand what you really mean, even when your request is more detailed or includes follow-up questions. This makes conversations feel more natural and much less robotic. For example, if you're working with a long document, you can ask Copilot to summarize the report and provide 3 actionable recommendations. Instead of just giving a basic summary, it's now better at identifying key points, understanding the overall context, and turning that information into practical suggestions. This is especially helpful for productivity, research, and everyday tasks where you need quick, clear support. Another major improvement is deeper Windows integration. Copilot can now help you interact with your PC using natural language, so you don't have to remember exactly where every setting is located. You can ask it to turn on dark mode and show your storage usage, and it can guide you through those actions or help you access them more quickly. This makes navigation and troubleshooting easier and saves time when managing files, apps, and device settings. Instead of digging through multiple menus, you can simply describe what you want in plain English. Copilot is also stronger when it comes to content creation. You can use it to generate emails, documents, presentations, and even social media content. If you already have text written, it can help rewrite it, summarize it, or improve the tone and clarity. That's especially useful when you're trying to communicate professionally but want to save time. For instance, you can ask Copilot to create a professional email announcing a new product launch, and it can give you a polished draft that you can quickly review and customize. On top of that, productivity tools have been improved through better integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot can help analyze spreadsheets, summarize meetings, organize tasks, and even generate reports or presentation outlines. A great example is asking it to analyze Excel data and create a summary presentation. This helps streamline work across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, making it easier to move from raw information to finished output. Overall, these new Windows Copilot features make the experience more practical, more connected, and more efficient. Whether you need help writing, researching, changing settings, or organizing work, Copilot is becoming a much more capable assistant built directly into your Windows workflow.